Hey, what's up everybody? It's Andrew. We've got another really exciting, tiny but mighty release for GoHighLevel. We now have the ability to select between different phone numbers in the Conversations tab whenever we are sending an SMS. It's super exciting and pretty simple, so let me show you how it works. On your sub account view, if you navigate to the Conversations tab, you'll be able to see all of your different conversations. And whenever you're in a conversation that is happening via SMS, you can do this via filters and look at only SMS channels. Then you'll be able to see whenever you are sending SMS, you can select the from number right here from this drop down. So as you can see here, we can select between different from numbers and to numbers via these two drop downs. For our from numbers, we can select between different phone numbers that are on the sub account, and we can click them just like that, send the message, and it will send from the appropriate number. So we can also select via this drop down the to number if a contact has multiple phone numbers, just like this. We can select which phone number we would like to send to, just like that. So for our business use case, we're going to use the contact's main phone number, but for our from number, this particular business has business in different cities. So for this contact, we could actually match our area codes in order to make sure that we're sending from the right number to this contact, because ideally as a business owner, you want to be sending messages to people with an area code that's in their own area code. So we can see this area code is a Dallas-Fort Worth number. So between our San Angelo number and our Dallas-Fort Worth one, we're going to select the Dallas-Fort Worth one and send our message using that phone number. This is a simple feature that's going to make it a lot easier to communicate with our clients via SMS, especially if you have people in multiple cities like this particular business does. And of course, it's already live and on all of these sub accounts. If you have any questions about how this feature works, leave a comment. And as always, thank you for watching.